Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Optic atrophy. Optic atrophy is actually any pathological process. Optic atrophy includes any pathological process which will damage the axons present in retinal ganglion cells, and the um, lateral geniculate body is called as optic atrophy. Optic atrophy can be of four types. We have primary optic atrophy, secondary optic atrophy, glaucomatous optic atrophy, and we have consecutive optic atrophy.
thank you and thank you for watching.